everyone, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I'm here again with another video, and I'm going to cook in this morning red herring. Look at it, with ackee, and all these are my ingredients. All the peppers, onion, and this is tomato, scallion, thyme. And over here is all my season. This is the dash, this is complete season, and this is garlic, black pepper, and paprika. Yeah, and I'm going to top it up with my banana and my plantain. So I'm going to cook banana, plantain with ackee and red herring. Okay, my pot is already on the fire, ready for my ackee. And anybody don't know ackee, this is ackee, bearing from a tree. Yes, you pull it out like this. This is how you pull it out, and you take out the seed from it, and you wait until the water boiling up. Then you boil it with a little salt. But because I'm doing it with my red herring, I'm going to scald off my red herring. Ackee is boiling, I put the red herring in. I have to skin off the red herring. Let me show you. I take the red herring from the skin. This is not, there's a skin on the red herring. I'll take off. Okay, stay tuned and I will be right back. I'm washing my banana, put in the pot. Water is boiling now. Cut off these parts. You take off these. You can open them like this, and you can leave them like that. Okay, I'm not peeling no banana, I'm boiling them in the skin. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add a little tip of oil in the water on the fire for my banana. If you don't do that, then it's hard to wash. It's staining to wash. So you add a little oil and some salt. I already put some salt in the pot. So I'm going to drop my banana and my plantain. Okay, I'm over to the sink with my red herring, the skin off, and show you how it looks. First I'm going to wash it. You don't have to cook the head. The head is no good. If you want, probably some people eat the head. Okay, I'm going to wash it with a piece of lemon. Okay? Okay, I get a half a lemon to squeeze in the water. See the lemon here. Okay. To take the skin from it. God, I don't even know how to take it off. Here's the skin. See it? This is what I'm talking about. So I'm going to peel the skin from it. See it? Guys, there are some fine bone inside. You have to go inside and you have to take out this fine bone, especially if you're going to cook for children. These fine bone have to remove. When I'm cutting it up, I show you. But these fine bones, see it, have to remove. I did put this out, so I'm just showing you how I remove the seed. Here's the seed. Cut this side. Cut the other side. If there's anything in the belly, you use the knife and you pick it out, okay? This is what I have on top. I already washed this. My water is on the fire boiling. So I'm going to put my ackee in the pot on the fire, water. Ooh, here goes my water for the ackee boiling. Okay. I'm going to throw my ackee. Okay. I'm not going to put any salt because I'm putting the red herring, and the red herring has salt, okay? Alright. And back to my red herring over here. Back to my red herring. I'm just going to get my red herring through here. Pure bone. You have to try to remove all these bone. Open the red herring. Showing one midge. This is a middle bone. You have to try to get out the bone. There's lots of bone. When you grab the middle one, the bone in the middle, it brings out the small one. You remove them like this. See, try to get the middle bone out, then you get the one at the side out. See it? See how nice it look? Okay. See it, I'm finished. You see how many cleanup it have on it? When you finish with it, you see it, how it look? Look how its rough edge come off. Okay, so you have to clean it up very good. Pure bone. You have to just be careful, even if you're giving children. So be careful of it, okay? You can buy the one that clean up. You don't have to go through all these process. You can just buy the one that's already done, like this. Okay? Okay. My ackee on the fire. I'm just gonna put my red herring in. It's a lot for my ackee. I told you it's salt, so it will penetrate through my ackee. I don't have to add no salt. Right, and you make it boil. Okay, my ackee and my red herring already done, and my banana is right over here, almost done. Okay, I'm going to take off my, and I'm going to strain. Okay, I'm going to fry up my ackee and my red herring now. Put a little oil in the pot. Okay. All my pepper, my garlic and everything. My hot pepper in there too. Red herring. Okay, I have my coffee tea now. Now my seasoning, combine them together. 1/4 teaspoon of everything here. Put it all together. Okay, I think everything is ready. Let me turn off this stove. And my banana and my thing over here. I can turn this stove off too. The cook. And I'm going to dish it out now. Alright. Okay guys, I am done with my meal. I have my avocado to it, and I have my red herring and my ackee with my cooked plantain and banana. Okay, I just give it a taste. Banana, you see your banana soft and nice. And you don't have to ask yourself if it's nice. It's really nice. Guys, I thank you very much for watching. Thank you for everything. My subscriber and my unsubscriber and my viewer, I would just want to give you a heads up. Thanks very, very much. Okay? And remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Tell a friend. Click that notification bell that whenever time I do this lovely dish, you are the first one to receive it. Okay? I thank you all for everything. May the love of God continue to bless you and your family. Keep as sweet as you are. Bye from now. See you next time.